Better than caffeine? Better than nootropics? What if a single compound could boost your brain, energize your body, and even slow down aging, all without expensive treatments or complicated routines? Now, maybe you've tried everything: coffee, nootropics, energy shots, even meditation apps, and still felt drained, foggy, or stressed. Think about it: fatigue, brain fog, aging skin, mood swings. We often blame stress, poor diet, or bad sleep. But for many people, the real problem isn't lifestyle. It's that your cells are literally running out of energy. Your mitochondria, the engines of life, get damaged, clogged, and inefficient. And when they slow down, you feel it everywhere: in your brain, your skin, your mood, even your metabolism. It's not just aging. It's not just stress. The hidden culprit? Mitochondrial dysfunction. Like a clogged engine, your cells start leaking energy, pumping out toxic exhaust called free radicals. That's why you feel tired, foggy, and inflamed. Imagine feeling sharper, more energized, and younger, all by introducing a single compound into your system. Today, we'll explore the 12 claimed benefits of methylene blue, what the science really says, and how to decide whether it's worth considering. What does methylene blue do in our body? At the biochemical level, methylene blue is a redox-active molecule, methylthioninium chloride. It alternates between oxidized and reduced states, allowing it to bypass damaged segments of the mitochondrial electron transport chain, steady ATP production, and mop up excess free radicals. It crosses the blood-brain barrier and interacts with enzymes like cytochrome C oxidase. Methylene blue may boost energy and reduce fatigue. Let's start with what most people feel first: energy. Methylene blue is shown to be a potentially powerful mitochondrial enhancer. It helps your cells create ATP, which is basically the fuel that powers everything in your body. In fact, a 2015 study by Gonzalez Lima and Aukter showed that low-dose methylene blue supports mitochondrial respiration and reduces oxidative stress, especially in brain tissue. That means more clean energy, less cellular exhaust, and better performance. It also acts as both an electron donor and acceptor inside your mitochondria's electron transport chain. Translation? It may help keep your cellular engines running smoothly, especially under stress. Methylene blue may enhance cognitive function and mental clarity. Methylene blue has been shown to improve mental clarity, memory, and even learning speed. That's thanks to its ability to reduce inflammation and enhance energy output in neurons. In a 2024 study published in Springer Nature, researchers found that methylene blue improved learning, memory, and reduced amyloid beta plaques in a mouse model of Alzheimer's. It also lowered oxidative stress in the hippocampus, the memory center of the brain. This is why biohackers and some clinicians are using low doses to support focus and long-term cognitive resilience. Methylene blue potentially protects brain health and prevents degeneration. It's not just about sharper thinking today. Methylene blue may also help protect your brain long-term. It improves mitochondrial function, increases ATP, and shields neurons from oxidative damage. The research article, Methylene Blue for the Aging Brain by Bakshi and Tawfik, discusses how it may help prevent Alzheimer's and Parkinson's by reducing neuron loss and enhancing mitochondrial function. Of course, dosing and purity matter here, but the protective potential is huge. Methylene Blue, improved skin health and slowing aging? Yes, methylene blue is also being studied for skin health and anti-aging. It increases fibroblast proliferation, which boosts collagen production, skin hydration, and tissue repair. It also helps delay cellular senescence, which is when cells stop dividing and start causing inflammation. This has been linked to wrinkles and sagging skin. Lab studies show that methylene blue can thicken the skin's dermal layer and improve resilience against UV and oxidative damage. Methylene blue, balanced mood and relieves stress. Here's a lesser-known but powerful potential benefit: mood support. Methylene blue appears to stabilize neurotransmitter activity and improve energy in brain cells, leading to reduced anxiety and depression symptoms. It's been shown to have antidepressant and anxiolytic effects without causing mania, making it a promising adjunct for mood disorders according to a 2019 study by Martin Alda, Methylene Blue in the Treatment of Neuropsychiatric Disorders. And in PTSD models, it helps with extinction learning, essentially helping the brain unlearn fear responses. Methylene Blue potentially supports mental well-being and emotional health beyond mood. Methylene blue seems to promote emotional resilience. By optimizing oxygen use and reducing neural fatigue, it helps the brain adapt to stress and maintain focus without burnout. It is shown to help regulate neurotransmitters like dopamine and serotonin indirectly, contributing to overall emotional stability according to a 2007 study by Ramsey R.R. et al. Called Methylene Blue and Serotonin Toxicity, Inhibition of Monoamine Oxidase. This could be especially helpful in people dealing with chronic stress or cognitive fatigue. Methylene Blue improves oxygen flow and speeds up recovery. Whether you're recovering from a workout or an illness, Methylene Blue might be able to help. It improves oxygen delivery to tissues by supporting red blood cell function and stabilizing mitochondrial energy output. Theoretically, this helps reduce recovery time, muscle soreness, and brain fog after exertion or illness. It also potentially supports tissue healing by reducing inflammation and oxidative stress during recovery. Can Methylene Blue aid in detoxification and eliminate toxins? One of Methylene Blue's FDA-approved uses is treating methemoglobinemia, a condition where red blood cells can't carry oxygen. It converts methemoglobin back to hemoglobin, restoring oxygen delivery. That same redox mechanism also helps remove oxidative stress-related toxins from the blood. It's even being looked at for septic shock treatment by restoring blood pressure and vascular tone through nitric oxide modulation. Methylene Blue combats inflammation and fights infections. Here's where Methylene Blue really shines: antimicrobial and antiviral action. It can disrupt bacterial metabolism, weaken viral replication, and reduce inflammation caused by infection. A 2023 study in the Journal of Antimicrobial Chemotherapy reporting MB eliminated 99.9% of tested bacterial strains, including MRSA, within 24 hours by interfering with electron transport chains and reducing metabolic activity by 73%. Under specific light conditions, it becomes even more potent. This is called photodynamic therapy, and it's used to treat infections. Its immune-supporting effects are tied to its ability to stabilize mitochondrial function in immune cells. Enhances sleep quality. You may not expect it, but Methylene Blue potentially can help with better sleep too. By stabilizing circadian rhythms, reducing brain inflammation, and calming oxidative stress, it may promote deeper, more restorative rest. Alda M., 2019. Methylene Blue in the treatment of neuropsychiatric disorders users often report better focus and energy the day after taking low doses. Plus, reduced neural inflammation means fewer sleep disruptions and easier recovery from mental fatigue. Strengthens vision and protects eye health. The retina has some of the highest metabolic demands in the body. Methylene Blue protects it by reducing oxidative damage and preserving mitochondrial function in retinal cells. A 2020 study by Juan Carlos Fernandez and team found it reduced neurotoxicity and angiogenesis in a model of retinal degeneration. It's also being studied in glaucoma models for preventing optic nerve damage. Improves metabolic efficiency. Science indicates Methylene Blue may boost your resting metabolic rate by improving mitochondrial respiration. Some reports show up to a 42% increase in baseline metabolism in animal studies by F. Bouillot, C. Rancy et al. It is shown to enhance glucose metabolism, supports fat oxidation, and helps stabilize blood sugar under stress. This means potentially more energy, better endurance, and lower fatigue across the board. Can Methylene Blue treat cancer cells? Methylene Blue cannot treat cancer cells in standard clinical practice. While Methylene Blue can generate ROS under light exposure, photodynamic therapy, in lab models causing cancer cell damage, it's not approved for cancer treatment. These results are preclinical and experimental. How to take Methylene Blue safely and effectively? If someone is considering trying it, always under medical supervision, here's a general framework. 1. Determine dosage, often low, weight-based, e.g., 0.5 to 4 milligrams per kilogram for cognitive use. 2. Choose the right form, pharmaceutical grade, not industrial dye. 3. Take on a lightly fed or empty stomach to reduce variability. 4. Avoid drug interactions, especially serotonergic drugs. 5. Monitor side effects, such as dizziness, nausea, urine discoloration.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content.